Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to earn money with Walmart using Walmart affiliate program. So I'm going to show you in this video everything you need to know, from program details, how to sign up, commission details, and payments. So just stick with me and you will hopefully benefit from this video. So let's start by saying, what is Walmart affiliate program, or what is affiliate marketing in general? Basically, you sign up for Walmart affiliate program, and then once they approve your application, you will be given multiple banner ads or text links for certain products from their website. Now, you go ahead and click on or just copy the link that you want for the certain product and just simply place it on your website or YouTube channel, maybe Instagram. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you have a following of people, you just paste it there. Now, let's say someone clicked on the link and then purchased the item. Then you will get a percentage, you will get a commission. That's simply it. So if we read here, what is the Walmart.com affiliate program? It is a way to earn commission by placing banner ads, which you will be using for blogs or website, or text links, which would usually work for YouTube channels, Instagram, and you just place them on your website to refer customers to Walmart.com. And then you will earn money every time a visitor visits Walmart and then buys the product. So that's simply it. You may want to ask now, does it cost anything? Do I have to pay for the sign up process? Absolutely not. It's for free. You don't have to pay a dime to sign up. So, in fact, I'm going to show you how to sign up right now. So if you will open up a new Google Chrome browser, it doesn't really need to be Google Chrome, but anyways, you just type in Walmart affiliate program and just click enter. Now you will have these. You just need to click on the FAQs. You don't want to click here. You just need to click on FAQs. From here, you just scroll down to how much can I earn. You don't really need to read that. I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know. So you just click here to check out our commission rates. You click here, and then it will send you to this page. Now you just click on become a member. Now in this page, it will ask you for your details to complete the application. So user information, basic stuff, first name, last name, email, confirm email, username, password, and confirm password, simple stuff. And then company information. If you have a company, you just type in the company name, the website for the company. You can just put your own website, doesn't really matter. And then the country, region, all those stuff, basic stuff. Now here is where you need to pay attention, where the promotional methods. So business model, what does that mean? If we click here, you will find those options. So basically, what are you? Are you going to be doing content reviews? Maybe you are a creator, you have a YouTube following or Instagram following, you have a bunch of people who follow you, you just click on creator. But most of the time, it's just going to be content and reviews. You are just creating content and you want to review items and put a link. So usually it's going to be this, but you have multiple things to choose from. So pick whichever one suits your style. So most of the time, as I said, content and reviews. And then you just select the countries that you want to promote to. Usually United States. If you want to add another country, you just click here and then you just add the other country. So next, the property type. That's where you will be sharing your links and banners. So what is it? Is it a website? Is it a podcast, email, newsletter? You pick whichever one. So if you have a website, YouTube, Instagram, you just click on website. If you have a podcast, same here. So usually website, we click on that. Property name, what is the name of your website, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it may be. Just type in the name, and then URL. You just link your YouTube, website, Instagram, and description. You just type what is it about. So if you have a website, what is the niche? What is this website promoting? Just simple description. You don't really need to be very detailed about it. Now, here we start talking about the commissions. The first thing you need to know, the highest commission is going to be up to 4%. So that's the highest commission Walmart's affiliate program has. To put it into perspective, if you put a link for a product that is $50, okay, and somebody buys it, and it has 4% commission, by the way. So if somebody buys $50, right, and from your link, you will get $2 if it has 4% commission. So that's how it's going to be. So if we see here, you have a bunch of items here, and the percentage is going to be dependent on the type of item. So if we have photo services, for example, or pharmacy items, personal care is going to be 0%. You will get nothing. So basically, we just want to avoid that, especially video game hardware. Yeah, you just need to basically avoid, because they're not going to give you anything. 0%, right? If we have other things like men's apparel and other things like your shoes, jewelry, 4% for those items. Again, here, list for item pets and supplies, beauty, baby hardlines, 3%. You have 1% for media and gaming, electronics, camera and supplies, all of those things, 1%. So if you get to this page, you will just can scroll and see the percentage of the things you want. As you can see here, I'm going to go over them. You may want to pause and see the things you want. So again, if you have arts, crafts, sewing, and fabric, 3%. All of those things. All other, 0%. So if you don't find the thing you want in here, then it's just going to be 0%. Now, a few conditions here in schedule. So action logging. Actions are logged 2 months after end of the month. They are tracked. So those are things that you need to keep in mind. This is something very important right here. So referral window is basically if somebody opened your link, as soon as they open the link, they have 3 days. If they bought it within those 3 days, you will get the commission. If, for example, they just sleep on it for 3 days and they bought it on the 4th day, yeah, you will not be getting anything. So keep that in mind. And then you will have the payment method at the end. So for the payment, you need to know. So let's go back to the FAQs and let's just go to how are commissions paid. So commissions are paid on monthly net sales, and they deduct the returns, sales tax, and shipping and handling. So they are not included. Now, they will be, the methods you will be paid with are just going to be PayPal or direct deposits. So that's something you need to keep in mind. As we can see here, payout details, default payout, $2 per order, and all of those things. So that's the sum of it. That's basically most of the things that you need to know, if not all that you need to know. Again, let's just summarize it. Affiliate marketing or Walmart's affiliate program, you simply sign up to it. You will wait for the application to be approved. Once it's approved, you will just go ahead and paste the links of the products on your YouTube, Instagram, all of those things, as we can see here in the first one. And then you will earn money if somebody buys your item within 3 days of opening the link. Does it cost anything? Not at all. You can sign up for free and start right now. So how to sign up, I just showed you exactly how to sign up in this page over here. If we go to the FAQs, we just click here and we just start up the sign up process. Commissions up to 4%. We have 4% for certain items, 3 and 2, and also 1%, and a lot of 0%. So keep that in mind. And payments, as we said, are paid on monthly net sales and do not include returns, sales tax, or shipping and handling. So that's it for Walmart's affiliate program and all you need to know. Thanks for watching.